Alright, so the homeowner would like the repairs done. Home warranty's playing games. Like normal. They want him to send pictures and all sorts of stuff. So he doesn't want to wait days. I'm going to take care of it. If home warranty covers it, I'll just reimburse him. Until then, they want air conditioning. Homeowner was also nice enough to allow me to use this. Unit's in the sun now. Maybe I can make these zip ties work again. And there's that one. This one's a little bit harder to tell. Let's see if we put it up here. You can see how it is definitely bulging. It doesn't sit flat. It's usually a sign. Sometimes they're easier to see. I'm going with an 80. There we go. There it is. Probably one of the easiest diagnostics when you see that. Capacitor bulging. You don't even need to put a meter on it. You just know. Couple more clicks out of there. Let's see. It's not calling for cooling right now. Trying to get that out of the way. Pretty easy to do, just a little wire for wire on these so you don't get mixed up if you ever replace a capacitor. Otherwise you gotta hunt down stuff. That one's gonna have to be cut back. New contactor. See. Spider webs in here. Go. There we go. 24 volt on that side. It's kind of loose. Just try to squish these in a bit. Just so they make better contact. It's most of the reason you see burnt wires like this, is they just weren't making very good contact. The wires were loose and they ended up getting super hot and coming apart. melting, burning. Let's see if I can get the bigger side. It's kind of a big thing on maintenances. It's just to make sure everything's tight. I guess that's more my opinion than anything. It's very important. Ugh. I hear his dog. Oh, that one's pretty loose too.
I spoke to their claims manager.
Yeah.
And there's the same guy I spoke to 3 years ago, would you believe? And I actually found his voicemail. So I just called him, and he called me back and said he's going to speak to the claims supervisor, see what's going on, and see whether they can push it through. So.
Okay. That might be pretty cool if it gets done before I leave.
Wouldn't that just? How long do you think it's going to take you, John?
I probably got about 15 more minutes.
15 more.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. How's that umbrella working out okay?
It's working out great. That's about as far as I can get. It's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. I think this is where I start changing some wires. Probably get away with this red one. Ta-da! It's all good. We should. Ooh. Oh. Okay, we got tighten up all of our electrical. That one's tight. Oh, pretty good. Tiny, tiny movement. Select, go to our amps, compressor amps, we'll try our end rush. I think there might be something wrong with the meter, it doesn't always show end rush. That was a pretty hard start. 21.36 amps. We're about 21 amps. decided the unit's 28.8. 1.15 on condenser. Fan motor. Alright, I think we're all good here. Now just see if this home warranty will cooperate and do what they are supposed to do. Instead of just stealing everybody's money, what they want to do. Job is done, customer's happy.